Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are encountering the can't send request, it looks like you may not know this person issue on Facebook, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps to potentially fix this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, start with the App Store and search for the Facebook app in your App Store. Then make sure that you have the latest version of Facebook downloaded in App Store. If you see the update version available right next to the Facebook icon, then simply tap on the update and update your Facebook account. And after updating your Facebook account, simply go back to the home screen and tap on the settings option available there. Inside settings, scroll down till you find the option general. Inside general, tap on the iPhone storage, and inside iPhone storage look for the Facebook app from all the installed listed apps. Now all you have to do is tap on the offload app and offload the Facebook app. This sometime fixes the software glitches and improves the bug fixes. So after doing this, all you have to do is reinstall the Facebook app. After this, go to the Facebook and tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner. Then simply scroll down and tap on help and support option available there. Inside help and support, tap on the report a problem. Now simply continue with the process and report the issue to Facebook. If you believe the issue is a mistake or if you are unable to resolve it on your own, you can report it to Facebook. Facebook support team may be able to assist you further. They will describe you your problem and let you know how to solve it. All you have to do is write down a brief details of what you are facing, and you can also provide the screenshots. They will look forward to it, so make sure that you are up to date to your email and Facebook updates. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.